Hello and welcome back to the Slack tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about setting up admin schedules. Now this is really important. When you have an admin team, even if it's a small one, even if it's just you and a friend, it's very important to have you guys on the same page. You're going to have people coming in. This is especially important if you're making a public community that you're going to be sharing with people you don't know, that you're going to be putting online, that you're going to be sharing with people. This is really important that you have this written down. You need to have this set up in case if anything does go wrong, if one of you gets sick, or if you need a vacation, or if you just need some time off, or if you're in school, or if you're teaching, or if you have work that day, then it's just important to have somebody to be able to cover for you. Especially that your community is growing. It's good to have somebody that's active inside the community, that's always there, posting, sharing, giving feedback to other community members. And this is what is a really important process. And it's really good to get a schedule out there. Now you can do this either every single day. You can do this a weekly schedule. You can do this as a full month schedule. I prefer to do weekly schedules. And I like to give my admin staff, each of them, one day, just because it's a lot easier. It's easier to cover, and it's just a way easier to manage. Now, because there's only two admins that are going to be on site all the time, I'm going to have it set up that it's going to be half of the week is going to be split to him, and the other half is going to be split to myself. And this is going to be a quick how-to guide just to really how to get that formatting down. Now, if you have more admins, let's say, for example, you're doing a weekly schedule and you have like 7 admins, then give each of them one day. Or if you have some admins that are only going to be there on the weekends, or some admins that are only there on the weekdays, or if they're in other time zones, it's just really important to have that set up there. So I'm just going to have it quickly set up like this. So I make a little line here, and then I put list of admins on duty. Okay, after that, I do a shift enter. This is really important. After that, I like to write down like Monday to, let's say, red. I'm going to have at admin. Now, I recommend adding your username just so that you know who it is, so they can click a sec. Okay, who is that guy? Especially if you have more admins and they don't know each other, or if they haven't had it yet to introduce themselves, then it's just important to have that list down there. After that, we'll have the rest of the week to be determined. And then this is one thing that I like to do in case if I don't know that there's an admin online, in case if I'm not sure if they're willing to take up that part of the week, then just put TBD, that means to be determined, and then, go meet up with them, talk to them, ask them some questions. However, I would like to have him from Thursday to Sunday. And make sure you swap it around because it's just important so that everybody has a piece of the shift, and so you guys don't get bored, and so that you guys don't get fed up with being on the same day shift. And in case if somebody does want to transfer, then you can say, okay, well, it's already planned out for this weekend. How about next weekend? And as you can see, I added these 2 icons, and now all I need to do is hit the enter. And now, as you can see, sometimes the staff might not even be in the same channel, so you can always just hit the invite button, and it will invite the admin to join. So as you can see, this is a really quick process. It's really easy to have this set up, and it's just really important. Get everybody on the same page. Once you have this set up, it's going to make your server a lot easier. It's going to make your staff a lot easier, and it's also really just a fun environment for everybody to have fun in. I will see you guys next week on the next episode, where we will be talking about how to set up bots for your server and how to have fun attractions. Make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions, or if you just want to say hi, make sure you write that down in the comment section, and also give us a major thumbs up. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video.